Struggling to find time to work out? Or maybe you're not sure where to start? Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through a beginner-friendly workout you can do right at home, no equipment needed. Get ready to boost your energy and start seeing results with just 10 minutes a day. Let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Advice for Fit, where we make fitness simple and accessible for everyone. Today, I've got a quick 10-minute workout that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're pressed for time or just starting your fitness journey, this routine is designed to get you moving and feeling great. All you need is a little space and some motivation. Before we jump into the workout, it's important to warm up. This helps to loosen up your muscles and get your blood flowing, reducing the risk of injury. Let's start with some arm circles for 30 seconds. Now, switch directions. Great. Next, let's march in place for another 30 seconds. Keep your knees high and swing those arms. Finally, let's do some light stretches. Reach for the sky and take a deep breath in, then slowly bend down to touch your toes. Awesome. Now you're ready. Jumping jacks. Let's kick things off with jumping jacks. These are great for getting your heart rate up. Remember to keep your movements controlled. Jump out, clap overhead, and then back to starting position. If jumping is too much, step side to side instead. Keep going for 1 minute. Bodyweight squats. Next up, bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower down as if you're sitting back into a chair, and come back up. Focus on keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Go at your own pace, but try to keep moving for the full minute. Modified push-ups. Now let's get into a modified push-up position. Knees on the ground if you need to. Lower your chest down and push back up. Keep your core tight and your elbows at a 45-degree angle. If this feels too tough, you can also do wall push-ups. Keep pushing for 1 minute. Plank. Moving on to a plank. This is great for your core. Get into a plank position on your elbows or hands and make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. If it's too hard, you can drop your knees down. Hold this position and remember to breathe. Glute bridges. Let's switch to glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeeze your glutes, and slowly lower down. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your lower back and glutes. High knees. Finally, let's finish strong with high knees. Stand tall and run in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest. Use your arms to pump along and keep your core engaged. Remember, you can always march in place if the jumping is too much. You've got this. Keep going for 1 minute. When you're done exercises, cool down. Awesome job, everyone. Now, let's cool down with some light stretches. Sit down and reach for your toes, feeling the stretch along your hamstrings. Next, bring one arm across your chest and hold it, then switch to the other side. Finally, take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. You've just completed a 10-minute workout. How great does that feel? Thanks for joining today's workout. Remember, the hardest part is showing up, and you did that today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Advice for Fit for more beginner-friendly workouts and fitness tips. Leave a comment below on how you felt after this workout, and let us know what kind of videos you want to see next. See you next time, and keep moving forward.